Lesson 2. For this lesson, I will cover the following topics with you. A stream feature. In this option, after you enter the Google Classroom, the stream feature will be visible and accessible to you. A stream is the list of announcements and assignments the teacher view allows the teacher to create an assignment or announcement right from the stream, and students in this view were able to post comments to the stream that are visible to the entire class. For example, I have here a stream. I'm gonna be create an announcement, and I gonna be put it, for example, next week is the last week for clubs. I can add it an attachment, I can add a Google Drive, a video, or a link. So I put a post, and all the students can see this comment right now. Next week, the last week for clubs. And I create an announcement here. I can create an assignment, create a question, and reuse posts. Create a student drive folders. Google Classroom automatically creates student drive folders for classes and students in Google Drive. For example, here is my Google Drive. You see here Classroom, and I have here my classrooms that I created automatically by Google Drive. Okay. A student work can be accessed from Google Classroom or directly from the folders in Google Drive. Archive classes. For example, I have my classes here, and I want to see, for example, here robotics. I want to see my classes, and you have the options here. You can edit or you can archive your file. If you don't use this class anymore for some reason, you can archive this file and put it back when the option is you needed this file again, or this class in particular, you can recover. So let's go, for example, right now, archive this class, and if I go to this option again, and here's in my archive classes. So I have, for example, I said, you know what, I need robotics again. I have this option, and I can put a restore, and let's go back to my archive classes here, all my classes, and you see robotics is back and is here. Okay. And also the other option you can have in archive classes, you don't need it, for example, this class anymore, you can delete it automatically and it disappear for the Google Classroom. Another option, let's go talk about, you can invite your student to your class. So for example, I have here my Google Classroom training, and I want to invite students. So I sign in here to the classroom, select the class that you want to add students, that I already did it, and you see here I have my code to, I can send it to the students to join to this class, or I can also email to the students to invite it. I selected all these students and the actions, invite students, and can, for example, add more students here, select, and put the option invite students. For example, already have these ones. Another option you have is you can put a mute, or you can also, for example, this student lab 3 club is still doing something else and don't put attention, so you can mute him. When you mute him, the student can still submit the work, but the other student that won't see it. He cannot reply to classmates anymore. He's not visible for the other students, and he also is not able to comment or post any information as well. It's like time out for him because not behaving class. So you as a teacher, you can have that privilege to do that, and you can do for all students or only for one particular students. As mentioned in the previous lesson, I have a quiz that needs to be answered to move to the next lesson. Instructions are the same. You can sign in into the quizzes using your name, and you can submit it. Thank you.